We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
On the Hill, 草坡上 was completed in 1950 by Zhong Lihe. In the story, a hen becomes ill and is slaughtered. The family feels guilty about the death of the hen, paying extreme attention to the growth of the chick. From its growth, the author finds the meaning of life. The chick's life is filled with vitality, as opposed to the illness and pain of the hen. The contrast of the weak and the strong is brought out naturally, making a strong impression. The family expresses the guilt of the kill by taking care of the chicks. Seeing how the chicks are unable to find their mother and are bullied by other big chickens, the master feels even more guilty. As time passes, the family finally walks away from their guilt. At the end, the master and the mistress look at each other and smile. While recording the life of the chicken, their own 2 children have grown up as well.
Hi everyone, I'm Joseph Lin, and it's time for a Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Alice 最近真的事情好多那我一直想要学关于这样子的话，就比如说事情这么多，怎么办呢？Okay, which means in English, I have so many things to do. What can I do? What should I do?
事情很多。
事情things 很多，很多的意思吗？
就是这么多。
A lot of things to do.
用嘎撒。
用嘎撒，就这样子而已。
用嘎撒怎么办？
用嘎撒，
用嘎撒
这3个字很特别啊。用嘎撒 means 怎么办 ，which means like what should I do? What can I do? I'm doomed, you know. Okay, so you know in Chinese we say that a lot. 在中文其实常会说什么事情怎么办？所以这个都可以套用吗？比如说前一阵子的车子坏掉了，车子坏掉了怎么办？
柴坏掉了。
柴坏掉了。
坏掉了就坏掉了。
Okay, my car is broken.
用嘎撒。
也是用嘎撒。用嘎撒 so it means you're very frustrated. You don't know what to do. You can always say 用嘎撒。
没钱嘞，用嘎撒。
这也是没钱了，怎么办？I don't have any money. What can I do? 用嘎撒。Okay, let's review everything all together right here.
事情很多。
A lot of things to do.
用嘎撒。
怎么办？
柴坏掉了。
柴坏掉了。
用嘎撒。
怎么办 which means like what should I do? What can I do? So whenever you're frustrated, you don't know what to do, just say 用嘎撒 and people will take care of your problems. So there you have it. That's our Hakka lesson of the day.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.